see your guys' messages on chat. There we go. Okay, we're back. What's going on, Minor Girl? How are you? Alright, we're back. 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 Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We are good to go. We are good to go. I got Katie, which is kind of close to Casey. If the T wasn't there and the C was there, and Louisiana was... Well, actually, you're at Looney Tunes. Never mind. Whoa! Oh my God! That's a good one right there. That's a good one. That's a good one. Can we just take a second to look at that? Can we just please? Can we please take a second to look at this? Mother frickin' Bacon Bird. That is a very good way to almost wrap up the entire box of Azumarill we have of Wondertrade. That's a good one. That's a good one. I like that. I like that a lot. So Katie from Australia, thanks for this ripper. I doubt you'll see this, but